Pictory. How many times have you skipped making a video because editing felt complicated, expensive, or time-consuming? Or maybe you have a great blog post or script, but no idea how to transform it into something visually engaging. That struggle is exactly what Pictory was built to eliminate. Founded by entrepreneurs frustrated with traditional video creation, Pictory uses powerful AI to make video production fast, affordable, and accessible to everyone, from marketers and educators to small businesses and social media creators. By 2025, it has become one of the go-to platforms for converting text into professional quality videos without requiring advanced editing skills. One of its standout tools is script-to-video, which automatically matches your text with relevant stock video clips, images, and background music. Got a blog post you want to repurpose? The blog-to-video feature summarizes and extracts key points to create concise, shareable video highlights. Pictory also offers edit video by text, allowing you to upload a video, edit its auto-generated transcript, and instantly trim or rearrange scenes. No complex timeline editing needed. Pictory's auto-captioning and subtitles improve accessibility and keep viewers engaged, while its face and object recognition ensures smarter scene detection for cleaner edits. You also get access to millions of high-quality Getty images and video clips, making your projects look polished and professional. For global audiences, Pictory supports multilingual AI voiceovers in up to 29 languages. The platform is designed for collaboration, too. With drag-and-drop storyboards and team features, multiple creators can manage projects and share assets efficiently. Pricing is flexible, starting at around $19 US per month for individuals, $39 US per month for professionals, and team or enterprise options for larger needs. Whether you are creating marketing content, educational videos, or social media posts, Pictory saves time and scales your production effortlessly. You no longer need expensive software or a full editing team, just your ideas and Pictory's AI to bring them to life. Stop letting video creation overwhelm you. Try Pictory today and turn your text or images into stunning, shareable videos in minutes.